Believe it or not, this thing with a wide flat body is a fish. Body is a fish. It is called a stingray.
This particular stingray, its scientific name is Daciatus pasternacca.
That's not a common name.
But it is a common stingray.
They are a close relative to a shark.
But don't sharks eat stingrays?
Well, I guess you could say, it's a shark-eat stingray world out there. This big one is called a rough-tail stingray, or you can call it by its scientific name, Bathytocia centrura.
Unlike sharks, they have no bones, just cartilage. Their tail is their primary defense. Most stingrays are commonly found in shallow temperate coastal waters. A majority of their time is spent inactive, buried in the sand, hiding from predators or just waiting on a meal. So watch where you step and don't feed the fish. Feed the fish. Feed the fish.